Chuya, you got mink, deer, fox, coon, possum, all these you think. Red was wild boar. So imagine sun going down. You think you would have gone on? Or I might have turned back. So imagine all the ancestors who take free from being free. They had the strength in his soul, but say I go on. Imagine the one thing what can't be now. Them children were been in the bush harbor. In rush harbor like this shit. There be no sin. That two or three been going that evening. Cause they done put the battle boat down to the creek on. But them children for going on. Whether they been going other school or whether they been going Florida. They be no, say they been get from you. Matter now. So even when they take no turn back, they could have get it in. Like this shit. Now get away, leave. But keep going. Sometimes all you need is just to get it the right thing. It's the right thing to keep under the ground for freedom. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom. To my goal.